the fun just never ends around here. So that mechanical asshole started giving her issues, so I ended up having to leave what I was doing and coming here to try to get her to work. And we're like, well, let's just fire up the S10. It'd be a good first start of the year. And we have a severe crank no start issue. Crank and crank and crank and no start. So, and I know everything's a mess in here. This was not my doing. This looks relatively new, but that really doesn't mean anything. So we'll probably, they're cheap, so we'll probably replace that. Down in there, we got the crank sensor, so I'll probably go ahead and replace that and try to, there's no bolt in there. And then I don't know where the IAC is on this one. So we're going to find that and we're going to replace that, and hopefully that'll get it going. I would really like to just 3/8 swap this thing. But, of course, one thing goes out, another thing goes out. I know it's not the fuel pump because that son of a bitch sounds strong. So that ain't working. Let's go ahead and shoot it with some spray there. Open that up so I can flow in. Angle it so that can flow in there. We don't have much battery life. I know we've got a little bit more of a downward angle. It's flowing in. It'll work. Let's get it at a little more of a severe angle, I guess. There we go. I'm firing. So we have spark. So we're going to rule out coils and coil packs and all that. Or coil packs, not coils and coil packs. And we have a bad valve. Lovely. So we got a battery charger on it. I'm going to have to change out some valves. I'm going to have to redo all of this. This is all terrible work here. But it's a start, I guess. And anybody will tell you, and they got a point, don't buy a project where you're kind of reverse engineering somebody else's work, because then you end up with situations like this, where we've got this nice custom fuse box mount, this nice custom mount here. Oh shit, don't do that. Okay, there we go. Nice custom ECU mount. It's even wrapped around the trans dipstick tube, so you know it's good. And it definitely hits the control arm when laid out. So, all good things. We're gonna need some front tires. I already put back tires on. I haven't gotten around to the fronts yet. So, I don't think we have shocks up front, do we? No, I do not think that we do. Yeah, anyway, crank no start issue. We're gonna get that addressed and get this thing back on the road. Is the season for it, right? What is this? What do we have here? Is this? It's a fuel pump. I think it's a pump. Yeah. Walbro. 20 amp fuse required. And so, okay, seats don't fold forward, I guess. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the bottom panel there. Hey, there's my breaker bar. What the fuck? What the hell? Anyway, as I was saying, that's the issue with the S10 at the moment. We have crank no start. I don't believe this would be chipped. I'm not 100% sure. And also the other thing is we have no does nothing. This one, on the other hand, works. I know it's a project. That's rather annoying. That is more of a project than it was. It's supposed to be getting improved, not the other way around. I don't know. It's annoying.